everyone, and welcome back to English with Kaylee. And today's lesson is lesson 12 of our free English language course. So let's get started. So in today's lesson, we are going to learn some grammar. So we're going to focus on possessive adjectives in English. So let's start with an exercise. Look at the highlighted words. So the highlighted words are the words in yellow. And I want you to tell me which is an adjective. Which is an adjective? Remember, an adjective is a word to describe, and which is a pronoun. And remember, a pronoun is used to replace the noun for a person or thing. Okay, so let's look at the examples. So question 1, where are you from? So is you an adjective? Does it describe? Or is it a pronoun used to replace a noun for a person or thing? Where are you from? Let's look at question number 2. What's your name? What's your name? So is this an adjective to describe your name? Or is it a pronoun, a noun used to replace, a pronoun used to replace the noun? What's your name? I think you've got it. Well done. You is a pronoun. So we did this in a previous lesson. I will link it above. So you is the pronoun and your is an adjective because your name, it belongs to you. It describes your name. Well done. So let's try an exercise. I want you to listen to my sentences and I want you to complete the chart with your, my, his, her, their, and our. Okay, once more, complete the chart. So you're going to fill in the spaces with your, my, his, her, their, or our. Okay, so listen to my sentences and write down the answer. Pronoun. I'm Italian. I'm Italian. Possessive adjective. My family are from Rome. My family are from Rome. Did you write it down? Good job. Let's do the next one. Pronoun. You're in level 1. You're in level 1. Possessive adjective. This is your classroom. This is your classroom. Did you write it down? Well done. Let's do the next one. Pronoun. He's the director of studies. He's the director of studies. Remember, he is for boys. Possessive adjective. His name is Michael. His name is Michael. So write down the possessive adjective. His name is Michael. Well done. Let's look at the next one. Pronoun. She's your teacher. She's your teacher. So remember, she is for girls, for women. Possessive adjective. Her name is Lucy. Her name is Lucy. So write down the possessive adjective. Well done. Let's do the next one. Pronoun. We're an international school. We're an international school. Good. Possessive adjective. Our students are from different countries. Our students are from different countries. Okay, did you write it down? And the last one, pronoun. They're new students. They are new students. And the possessive adjective, their names are Tina and Daniel. Their names are Tina and Daniel. Okay, so write down the possessive adjective. Good job. And now let's check. Okay, so did you get the answers correct? Let's check together. So I'm Italian. The possessive adjective for I is my. My family are from Rome. Say it with me. My family are from Rome. Good, because the family are yours. Okay, so my family are from Rome. Good. You're in level 1. The possessive adjective for you is your. This is your classroom. Can you say it? This is your classroom. Well done. And the possessive adjective for he is his. Remember, this is for boys. His name is Michael. His name is Michael. Well done. And then the next one, so the possessive adjective for she is her. Her name is Lucy. Good, well done. Now, this one will be new to you because this one is a little bit more difficult. So remember the pronoun it. We use this for things. It's a school. It's a school. So this mark here, this apostrophe, okay, this means it is. It is a school. It's a school. Good. The possessive adjective is the same word. It's. Listen. It's. It's the same. But we don't put the mark, the apostrophe, in this space. We don't put the apostrophe. So remember, the possessive adjective to describe, we don't use the apostrophe. Listen, it's a school. Its name is Queen's School. Its name is Queen's School. Same pronunciation, different writing. Well done. We're an international school. We're an international school. And the possessive adjective of we is our. Our students are from different countries. Good, well done. And the last one, they're new students. They're new students. So the possessive adjective for they is their. Their names are Tina and Michael. Their names are Tina and Daniel. Good, well done. So remember the possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Well done. Okay, let's see what you can remember. I'd like you to complete the sentences with a possessive adjective. Complete the sentences with a possessive adjective. For example, my name's Kaylee. Let's look at the questions. Number 1. The students are from Italy. Names are Susanna and Tito. So what possessive adjective is missing for they? Let's look at number 2. London is famous for red buses. London is an it. It's a place. So what possessive adjective do we need? Let's look at number 3. She's French, but mother is English. So what is the possessive adjective for mother? So for female, for girl. Good. Number 4. We're in class 3. We're in class 3. Teacher is Bob. So what is the possessive adjective for we? Can you remember? Number 5. Name is Ian. He's from Scotland. So what is the possessive adjective for he? Can you remember? And the last one, number 6. I'm Mike. Family are from Dublin. So can you remember the possessive adjective for I? Okay, let's see if you're right. So number 1, the students are from Italy. Their names are Susanna and Tito. Well done. Number 2, London is famous for its red buses. Well done. Remember the spelling. Remember, no apostrophe, not needed. Good job. Number 3, she's French, but her mother is English. Well done. Her mother is English. Number 4, we're in class 3. Our teacher is Bob. Our teacher is Bob. Well done. And number 5, his name is Ian. He's from Scotland. His name is Ian. It's for a man, so we use his. Well done. And number 6, I'm Mike. My family are from Dublin. Good job. So the possessive adjective of I is my. Excellent. Well done. And that's the end of today's lesson. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.